Welcome to our travel channel. In this video, we explore Iceland and meet locals and travelers along the way. They met a lot of travelers in Iceland. If you visited Iceland, tell us about your experience in the comment section below.
And welcome on Iceland. Welcome to Iceland. Bienvenue en Islande. Bienvenue en Islande.
My name is Anna and I live in Dubai and welcome to Iceland.
The course is renowned for its 5 natural gates. While most other breeds have only 3 or 4 gates, the breed is also one of the purest. Once an Icelandic horse leaves Iceland, it is not allowed back into the country. Horses in Iceland are beautiful and special. Enjoying one of many tasty dinners at a friend's restaurant. Surprised to find out that Icelanders eat their hamburgers with a fork and knife. Night, Claudius.
And welcome to Iceland.
Benvenuti in Islanda.
Säkert att vi är i Islandia.
Hola, soy Katia.
Soy de Asturias, de España.
Yo soy de Canarias.
They traveled 2,500 kilometers or 1,500 miles in 9 days in Iceland and picked up 15 hitchhikers. These are just a couple of them. Would you pick up a hitchhiker? Tell us in the comment section below.
Hi guys, where are you guys going?
Hello.
Where's the map? Selfos?
No, we're not going there.
Well, we can show you where we're going if you want to join us. Where's the map?
Showing your cell phone.
Apparently, Chris doesn't believe in GPS or thinks he is the GPS.
Where are you guys going to?
Down the ring road and then up to Landmannalauga.
Where's the map?
He just loves his map.
I don't know if we can be of help because we're going back to Reykjavik tonight.
He just loves his map. He'll catch up to modern technology
Yeah, we try to get here.
eventually.
Yeah, because we.
Better than nothing.
Okay, so we're going up here, but yeah, you can hop in and.
From Germany.
Germany, which part?
Frankfurt. Down into Frankfurt.
Montreal. Hey. Hi guys, where are you guys going? It's like 10 minutes away.
The map appears to be useful, at least.
1 week ago, and we leave tomorrow. How about you? When did you arrive?
We are here we've been here for a month
Yeah?
and we are working here for the summer. And this was a trip of the weekend.
What do you do for work there? Here.
We work in a greenhouse.
Okay.
Landmannalauga.
Oh, you did the big trek?
Not the big one,
The
'cause
small?
we had just 2 days.
2 days? Okay. And how was the trek? You survived?
It's peaceful by far. We just enjoy it.
Is it easy to work here? How's the work condition?
Well, if you're a quiet person, want to work, it's good. They give you work.
And pay is good compared to Italy, or?
Yeah, but also life is more expensive, so it's kind of the same.
Okay.
Study,
In what field?
education.
Okay. For children or
Yes.
adults?
Yes.
So.
Yeah, like you.
We're releasing more travel videos like this, so remember, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. The scenery at Jaén is spectacular. The river cascades into and through the valley. Small waterfall, very beautifully framed by stunning colors.
Hello, my name is Carolina. Welcome to Iceland. I'm from Lithuania and I work here. I work in Hetla and I'm working here for 2 months.
And do you like it? What's your experience so far?
Yes, I do like nature here. It's amazing. I like work too because it gives me a lot of practices because I want to work with hotels later on in my life.
And what's your favorite spot so far in Iceland?
It's the Vik.
And why?
Because of the black sand beaches. It's really beautiful.
Great. And any suggestion or tips for people that want to come to Iceland?
Have a jacket or a coat because it can get really cold.
At the edge of the Central Highlands is one of Iceland's hidden pearls of nature, Jaén. This beautiful natural phenomenon is a small canyon that formed thousands of years ago. It is also one of the best Game of Thrones filming locations. With the astonishing nature formed of waterfalls, ponds, lava caves.
Bonjour, moi c'est Clara. Moi c'est Marine. On est là pour une semaine, un petit trek. Nous venons de France et c'est vraiment magnifique. Ouais, voilà, du camping sauvage, des paysages de rêve. On change de paysage toutes les quasi 10 minutes, c'est génialissime. Voilà, un bel écrin de verdure, c'est merveilleux.
In the land of fire and ice, behold Astra, the most famous of over 30 active volcanoes located 1,000 meters above sea level in the central part of Iceland, the Highland. It was the location where training for the Apollo space program took place twice in 1965 and 1967 in preparation for landing on the moon. Its stretch of black basalt sand is one of the wettest places in Iceland. Vik, the southernmost village in Iceland, located on the main ring road around the island, around 180 kilometers or 110 miles by road southeast of Reykjavik. In 1991, the US journal Islands magazine counted this beach as one of the 10 most beautiful beaches on Earth. We're releasing more travel videos like this, so remember, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. If you visited Iceland, tell us about your experience in the comment section below.